Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this wood hanger as well as some small hearts, both from Hobby Lobby. I cover the wood hanger with antique wax, and that's by Waverly. Once that has the coat on there and it's fully dried, I'm taking plaster color chalk paint and doing a layer of that on top of the wax. Just one layer, a little bit on the thinner side. Dry that completely, and then I'm sanding it so some of that antique wax can show through and to give it a bit of a distressed look. Next, I'm taking my square and I'm marking halfway through the board, so about 4 inches. And then I take the square again and use a pencil and draw some lines on either side of that. And then I follow those lines as my guide and use the thickness of the square to create the spaces between my pencil marks. So I'm just creating that shiplap look. And this wood hanger is about 8 by 10. Next, I'm taking these small hearts. Again, they're from Hobby Lobby. I'm using 6 of them. 3 I'm painting with Plaster color chalk paint by Waverly. The other 3 I'm covering in that antique wax. And the wax on some I do darker than the others. I then take the wax and distress the plaster colored ones. And then when everything's dry, I sand them down. And then I'm taking some twine and I'm hot gluing it to either end towards the top. I don't have it too loose, but I don't want it super tight, just hanging down the smallest amount. And then add some hot glue to the back as well. I then flip that back over and I'm taking another piece of twine and I'm doubling it up, putting it underneath that twine that's hanging and then pulling it through the loop. And then I'm taking 2 of the hearts. I add some hot glue to the twine, just a small amount, and then place the heart down, trying to not get it pushed down onto the hanger so it doesn't hot glue down onto that. So I just hold it in the air a little bit. And then cut the excess twine. And I'll be doing that on either end of these, again with the twine looped around there. And then I do 3 hearts on this one and 1 on the other side. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.